Good morning. Hello, and welcome back to another day in my regular life. It is 7:46, and I can tell you now, I have never gotten up this early for work. Never, ever have I gotten up this early for work. I don't know, I didn't sleep well last night, to be honest with you. Did not sleep well at all. So, I'm just gonna get up and go ahead and go to the grocery store early. And get my grocery stuff out the way. I don't know what I'm cooking today, I really don't. But honestly, I'll probably just get meatloaf, mashed potatoes. I'll probably get meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and green beans. And I need to get some butter because somebody ordered some butter cookies for me for his job. And yeah, so. Alright, we are ready. I'm gonna run to the store right quick. I'm just gonna run to Kroger, get what I need, and get the hell home so I can start work. Let me show y'all what I got on real quick. Okay, this is just what I got on. Just trying to use up this body spray I got. You know how you have a lot of body spray? Okay, so usually when I'm done with work on Friday, I turn my desk, and this side of my desk, into like my gaming station. I turn my desk into my gaming setup or station or whatever. Here, usually I have my MacBook Pro here because I do play a PC game on this, but I also have my PlayStation 5 back here, and then I play both of those on this monitor right here. So when it is time to switch over for work on Mondays, what I usually do is this dongle right here has my wireless keyboard and mouse attached. So I just switch it over to my docking station for work. I take my MacBook and replace it with my work computer and just plug in the docking station. And when I do that, so once I do that, then it becomes my working station. I have two keyboards. I have this clickety clacky keyboard here. Sometimes I feel like hearing the clickety clack, sometimes I don't. It just really just depends on how I'm feeling that day, to be honest with you. I don't know. You know, we're gonna do it today. We're gonna do clickety clack today. And then I have my wireless keyboard, which is, you know, the flat keys. And it's solar power, which I love. I don't have trouble about charging it or anything. My headphones. So I have a thing for my iPad here. I always watch something on my iPad while I'm working. It's never, it's not a negotiation on that. Okay. And then my phone usually goes here, wherever it may be. Phone goes here. Controller and headphones for PlayStation goes up. And so yeah, that is how I set up from my gaming to my work setup. It's usually just a matter of me switching the laptops out. So yeah, that is my little setup. Alright y'all, so I'm making my meatloaf. This is the way I make it. You do you. I'm gonna do me, you do you. Alright. So in this bowl already, I have onion. I was supposed to have bell pepper, but I guess Walmart decided they just don't have no bell pepper in the whole store. Onion, garlic, basically 1 sleeve of Ritz crackers, 2 pounds of meat, and then I got a whole bunch of seasonings that I'm gonna put in here. And then of course I'm gonna have my eggs to help bind everything together. This is dinner for me and my husband, so no, I'm not wearing gloves. Okay. This is the Cajun two-step seasoning. We realized that Academy has the big one. So we're gonna do that. Anything with salt in it, I'm not going as heavy. Of course, you got just a little bit of Lawry's. Remember, it is just plain ground beef. It needs a little bit of, it needs some help. Of course, paprika. I put paprika on everything. Okay, then of course we got your garlic powder. There we go. Come on out there for me, baby. And then we got the onion powder. Ooh. Child. Okay. A little bit. I just started using accent, so I'm just gonna put a little bit. Of course, we got just a little bit of red pepper flakes. Now I put this shit on everything. Ask my sister, ask my husband. This and dill. I'm putting just a little bit in there. Just a little bit. Some pepper, of course. We'll balance that all out. And some parsley flakes just for a little color. Good. I use ketchup in my thing. And ketchup. Alright, y'all, so I decided I wanted to make meatloaf muffins today, not just regular meatloaf. So this is what we got going on. Now I ain't crazy, and I know there's a lot of oil come out of here. So we gotta put that bad boy on.
25 minutes, starting now.
We're gonna put it on 25 minutes, and we're gonna come back and do the potatoes, green beans, and cornbread. All right, y'all. All right, I gotta make this quick because my battery about to die. I'm just gonna show y'all how I make mine. Show y'all how I make my sauce for my top and my meatloaf. Like I said, I'm trying to go quick because my battery about to die. I just use tomato sauce and brown sugar until your heart's desire. And that is literally how I make mine. If you like it sweet, And we ain't gonna apologize for it. Don't get me wrong, sometimes I like the savory. I'll never make it, but like if I go somewhere and they have the savory, you know. That's it, that's all I do. I just put tomato paste and brown sugar. Tomato paste, brown sugar. I end up taking them out the thing and putting them in here because it was just a little bit easier for me to put them in here. And I usually just pour the sauce all over. Make sure it's on all the tops and all around. Let me show you. So basically this is what it looks like when I took it out and I poured the sauce on there. I like it because it gets the sauce everywhere, all on the sides, not just like on the top of the meatloaf, you know. Now I'm gonna put this back in the oven until it gets sticky and glazy. All right, y'all, this is how the food came out. Cornbread, meatloaf, and mashed tater. All right, guys, we're on our way to the gym. Oh no, I didn't charge my Apple Watch. You think it's still charged? Shit. No. No. Damn, I'm supposed to charge my Apple Watch. Please have a little bit. Have a little bit for mama. Just enough to get me through the walk. Oh, we got 47%. Yeah. All right, y'all. So, we're about to go to the gym. Let me show y'all what we got over here. Ooh. So this is our little apartment thing. Got a little barbecue place with a little sit down. It's supposed to be a pickleball court or some shit. I don't know. We got the grills with the covered covered thing you can sit down and grill out. We got got a pool right there. I don't know if y'all can see it yet. But yeah, there's the pool. And then that's the office. I'm about to just go walk on the treadmill. Get my body used to moving again. So, I had to stop about 12 minutes in because my stomach is cramping because I just ate that big ass meal. So yeah, I did incline 3 on speed 3, and yeah, that was my fault. Definitely my fault. Didn't even digest my food, and I got all this sitting in my stomach trying to walk on a treadmill. That was the best because it hurt like hell. I tried to go through it, but it wasn't no going through that. It wasn't no making it do that, so it wasn't no sucking it up. Alright y'all, so the game is doing a little reset. So while we doing it's reset, we're gonna take our pills. Day 2. I keep my little pills in here. I keep my vitamins in this little basket right here, and they are labeled. I take 6 pills. I take a probiotic. These are not maybe in order. I might be touching the right thing, but just off my mind. I take fish oil omega-3. I take a prenatal vitamin, iron pill, vitamin D, a probiotic, and I think it's collagen. Or is it? It's one of them. I don't know. I don't take all my pills at the same time. I don't know how people do that. So we took all of our pills. Day 2. So what we're gonna do, I have a tracker in the front of my, what's the name, that I have not been using correctly, but I probably can't see that, but it's a tracker. So let's go ahead and start our tracker. I don't know what this thing for this week, which is, today is what? The 22nd? Yeah, we've been doing bad with this tracker, boy. We did drink water today. We took our vitamins. We're gonna do half a circle. We're gonna do halfway up on a circle. That means we halfway worked out. No, we didn't have our period. I'm a journal today. And yes, we're playing the game. So these are my little trackers here. And on my trackers, I have water, vitamins, APM, 1 meal a day, which means APM/1 meal a day, which means I didn't eat past 8 and I only ate 1 big meal a day. I also have a workout, which of course we did a half workout. My period, no. Did I journal? I'm going to journal today, and I'm going to play this, and I'm playing the game right now. So yeah, this is my little journal here / planner. In the back on the day part is where I do my journal, and then on this part, that's where I would do like stuff I need to do or stuff I have done. I like to make my planner look filled in, so sometimes I'll just go back and fill in what I did, you know what I mean?